That really a cool place.
Yeah, they give us ice cream bars inside our freezer as a welcome. Oh, nice. Well, for a studio, doing pretty good. We have a bathroom, we have a patio, we have a fireplace, which we don't need in summer. And we got the hot tub close to us in the pool. Okay, we are at our home away from home. Here is our fridge. Of course, we come with our family brew, our stocked blue cheese. We've got some smoothie. We've got some cherry and strawberry jellies. We have some hot dog and coleslaw fixings and more salad and some leftover pizza just in case. We've got some dark roast ready for the morning, some ketchup and other condiments. Eggs, we're gonna do breakfast with the eggs and bacon and potato waffles, which are amazing. So that's just some mashed potatoes. We've got hot dogs for later. And then we've already prepped up some veggies, veggie bundles, cucumber, we've got the carrots, and then there's the Alright, and now we have a bunch of our strawberries from the garden. We have fruit leather, some snacky bits, some bread, and some homemade bread and muffins to breakfast cookies, and chips. We love chips. All right, we are having a hot dog dinner with lots of buchi too, and good food incoming.
And give me a poo-poo and pee-pee.
Blessings to our meal.